Hi, my name is Stacy Lee, and I have a bachelor's in physics, and I'm currently obtaining my master's in education. I teach high school science, including physical science, environmental, and earth space at Osawatomie High School. I love to travel and experience nature. Our family spends most of our free time either at the beach or hiking in the mountains. We love just being out, enjoying all that the world has to offer, and finding new adventures. I've lived in two countries, Central America and here in the United States. While in Central America, I lived in Honduras, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, and Guatemala. In the United States, I've lived in Colorado, California, Florida, Missouri, South Carolina, Tennessee, and now Kansas. To me, the value of being a reflective teacher is an understanding that there is no such thing as a perfect teacher. All teachers, regardless of their experience, must continually work towards growth. Our students are constantly changing, and therefore educators must continually evaluate our effectiveness in the classroom and work towards finding positive changes and, of course, adapting as needed. I began my teaching career after serving in the military, so I'm not as young as other new teachers. This is my second year teaching in public school here in Kansas, and prior to that, we were in South Carolina, and I taught at two different private Christian schools. So my transition from private school to public school has been a complete shock to my system, and I really had to work hard at changing my mindset on what teaching really was. The private school atmosphere is very easy in comparison to public school. The students are well behaved, they have amazing parental support, they always had high aspirations for themselves and worked very hard. My public school experience has been a whirlwind of foster kids, IEPs, students with no desire or motivation to achieve any kind of success academically. A lot of lack of self-esteem, lack of personal hygiene, drug problems, and of course, the list goes on. So I had to really start from scratch with my teaching philosophy, and that required reflecting on every lesson and adapting to the needs of my students for every single class. I gauge my success on the success of my students, and I'm realistic in the fact that I will not be able to help every single one of my students find what I think would be success, but I can work hard at reaching as many of my students as possible by planning appropriately for their needs and working towards not only teaching them the science that the district feels they need, but also teaching them the important life skills that they need in order to be successful in any career that they may choose. So I look forward to getting to know everyone, and I wish you all luck as we finish out the school year. Thank you.